Good morning, everybody. It is March 27th and it is 7:15 or so in the morning. Beautiful day outside here in Southeast Georgia, where my son is sleeping peacefully inside the house with absolutely no clue as far as what's about to happen. Last year we ended up getting him a little electric motorcycle, and it lasted about 8 months or so, and finally ended up getting all, messed up because of the rain and whatnot. He didn't necessarily take care of as well as he should have, but yeah, hey, he's 5. Today he turns 6, and he's gotten much more responsible with things. And when it comes down to it, we've kind of given him a little surprise. He doesn't know about it yet, obviously. Now, what I've laid out is a series of clues. He'll have to follow those clues in order to take him to the next step in the puzzle so that he can end up getting his final reward, which is going to be a brand new motorcycle. Now, what he doesn't know, and what he won't know until the very, very end, is that, now, this is where I'm going to brag on my son a little bit, because the boy, as much as he aggravates the stew out of me, he's really, really sweet. I told him last night, and I convinced him at least a little bit that I'd forgotten that today was his birthday. And he said, yeah, it's okay. And I told him, I said, if I have enough time, I've got a lot of stuff to do tomorrow. What we'll do is we'll go to Walmart or something like that, and we'll find something to get you for a gift. He's like, Daddy, you already got me a gift. I was like, what are you talking about? You said whenever you have enough time and things slow down, you'll try to work on my motorcycle and get it running again. You want to talk about a moment that'll break your heart? That kid is awesome. Now, again, he doesn't know that we got him a new motorcycle. I got him a gas-powered motorcycle this time, be a little bit more durable. But whenever he goes through this little series, he's going to go from the kitchen where we're having cinnamon buns and whatnot, cinnamon rolls for breakfast. He's going to have to go find his toothbrush, and then go out to the trampoline and the pool, and then to Mom's van, to the garage. And when he opens the garage, there is going to be his bag of riding gear that I picked up from his grandfather's house yesterday, and his old motorcycle. Now, when he goes to get on his motorcycle and thinks that everything's all, Dad fixed it, he's going to realize it's still broken because I haven't had any time for that. But whenever he finally gets that moment of, man, I was really hoping for something a little bit better, which, any kid would. That's when we're going to break out the new one and really surprise him. Now, he almost got me twice. I was assembling his motorcycle the other day in my garage, in my shop over there, and I had it all hidden. Jamie just gotten back from picking him up from school, and I had it hidden away in the corner of the shop, had stuff put on top of it, so there's no way he could find it. Forgot about the box. So he comes in there, he's like, hey, Dad. He's come out there to hang out in the shop with me, which he rarely ever does. And what's he noticed? The box. He's like, what's this? I said, oh, that's your old box from your motorcycle that doesn't work anymore. I just never threw it away. We need to burn it one of these days. He's like, it looks so much different. Smart kid. But I was able to kind of throw him off the trail. Then, yesterday, I get home with his riding gear. Now, the boy can stare at the fridge for an hour straight if he wanted to. Couldn't find a thing to eat. Couldn't find anything that you tell him to look for in the fridge or in his room or anywhere else. He's out there at my car for a split second and notices the doggone bag of riding gear sitting in the back seat behind the tinted windows. When I'm over here, it's dark at night to begin with. It's already, dark whenever I get home. And he notices the stuff already. I'm like, how do you really? Go away. Anyway, super, super excited about today. Looking forward to it. I think it's going to be an amazing surprise for him. And y'all stay tuned. Check it out. Okay, so how old are you turning today? 6. Are you ready for your present? You sure? You sure? Okay. Well, we can't just give you a present out of the blue. You got to work for it. So, here's your first clue. Take the clues. You go to where that clue is. Ava is going to record you as you go. You have 2 minutes to complete this task. And if you don't, then you don't get your birthday surprise. You're going to take this clue, and you're going to read the clue, and you're going to say, okay, cool. Then you're going to go to where that clue leads you. Okay, so ready?
Can you just tell me something?
No.
That's not fun.
It'll be fun. It's like a scavenger hunt. It's priming you for getting all those cool Easter eggs come Easter. Ready? Ready? Now you gotta grab them all and bring them back to me, okay? Find your toothbrush. Go. Take it with you. Go, 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 go.
Why are you hiding here?
What does that one say? What does it say? Oh, you okay, babe? Okay. Roma, got this one. Look at the thing. Okay. You gotta take him to him now. I can't close the door.
Oh no! Oh, the lock's on! The lock's on! Where do you gotta go next? Where do you have to go next? Ready? Where do you have to go next? We gotta pause the timer. I think Caroline's enjoying this more than you are. Okay, go, 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 go!
Let's get out here. You ready?
Where you gotta go? Mom's van?
Of course.
Dun, 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 dun. Yay!
What's that?
Your dirt bike. Ready to go for a ride?
Yeah, he probably just before them.
It doesn't do anything.
Huh?
It doesn't do anything.
It's not working?
Is it on?
Sorry, bud. I thought I had it working.
Where you going? Roman.
Oh.
He gone.
Roman, come here. Roman, I think I got it working.
I kind of expected that. He got
Roman,
really
come here. I
mad.
think I got it working. Come here. This is awesome. Okay, try it again.
Eden, watch out.
Watch out, Eden. Watch out.
Eden.
It's not working.
Maybe this one will. How's that? Well, get your helmet on. We gotta go. So is it worth it?
Ooh, he got mad.
Yeah, he did. All right, you're good.
Oh yeah. Where'd he go? Roman! Roman! Watch out, son. Don't go straight for your sister.
Eden.
Eden, come. Sit.
Carolyn, just go. Get back outside.
Yeah, I think there's gonna be a hit.